Namaskar, you are watching The Awaz and I am Tanishka Chauhan with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. Uttarakhand ranks third in the Poverty Alleviation and Food Security ranking of Niti Aayog's SDG Index 2020 to 2021. Niti Aayog has released the Poverty Alleviation and Food Security ranking of SDG Index 2020 to 2021 on Tuesday, according to which Uttarakhand has secured the third rank. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami expressed happiness on Twitter. Dhami tweeted and said, Uttarakhand state is standing in the forefront in the development journey of the country and is continuously moving towards the first place. An example of this is Uttarakhand's third in the country in the Poverty Alleviation and Food Security ranking of Niti Aayog's SDG Index 2020 to 2021 to be in place. On Monday, a video statement of Disaster Management Minister Dr. Dhan Singh Rawat came on social media, in which he is heard saying that now such an app has come through which rain can be reduced or increased anywhere. Due to a strange statement going on social media, Uttarakhand's Disaster Management Minister Dr. Dhan Singh Rawat has been hit by a disaster. Because of this, he is being made fun of. Former Chief Minister and senior Congress leader Harish Rawat, even in tansy tone, demanded Bharat Ratna for him. In a video statement, he is heard saying that now an app has come through which rain can be reduced or increased anywhere. He is going to give the presentation of this app to the central government soon. If permission is given by the central government, then this app will be proved to be a boon for many states. As soon as this statement of the minister went viral on social media, there was a flood of reactions on it. In most cases, the minister's unscientific claim has been ridiculed. Recruitment started on many posts of secretariat. Interested candidates can apply. On behalf of the Uttarakhand Subordinate Service Selection Commission, recruitment has been taken for 162 posts of driver, for which interested and eligible candidates can complete their application process as soon as possible. Let us inform that these days Uttarakhand Subordinate Service Selection Commission has taken out the recruitment on 162 posts of driver, for which the application process has been started from 27th August. Candidates can apply for this recruitment through online medium till October 10th. Apart from this, interested candidates can read the official notification by visiting the official website of UKSSSC to get other recruitment related information. Apart from this, if you want to revise any competitive exam coming soon or want to strengthen your preparation, then you can join the free course of free mock test provided by Success right now. 38 new infected of corona surfaced in the state. In Uttarakhand, 38 new corona infected patients have come in the last 24 hours, while one patient has died. At the same time, 16 patients have won the battle with corona. Now there are 356 active cases in the state. At the same time, 3 patients of Delta Plus variant have been found in Pauri and 1 in Kumaon. According to the bulletin issued by the Health Department, the test reports of 13,392 samples has come negative on Monday. At the same time, 2 infected patients have been found in the Chamoli, 11 in Dehradun, 2 in Haridwar, 3 in Nainital, 18 in Pauri Garhwal, 2 in Pithoragarh. No cases of corona has been reported in Almora, Bagheshwar, Champawat, Rudraprayag, Tehri, Udham Singh Nagar and Uttarakashi. On the other hand, a corona-infected patient died at HNB Base Hospital, Srinagar on Monday. So far, 7,381 infected patients have died in the state. Today, the weather is clear in most areas of the state. Landslides occurred on the Cold Road of Nainital. The weather remained clear in most areas of Uttarakhand since Tuesday morning. On Tuesday, there has been a landslide again on the Cold Road of Nainital, due to which the road is closed here. The women's hostel of Kumaon University has also been threatened by this landslide. People are passing through the debris of landslides without caring for their lives. Traffic is smooth on Gangotri and Yamunotri highways. In Pithoragarh district, 23 roads including the Dharchula-Lipulekh road connecting the China border are closed. On Tuesday, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is on a visit to Pithoragarh. If the weather remains clear, the Chief Minister will undertake an aerial tour of Jumma village in the disaster-hit Dharchula. At the same time, the torrential rain that took place on Sunday night in the Jumma village of Dharchula wreaked havoc. 7 houses in Jamuni and Nalpokitov were demolished due to excessive rain. 7 people, including 3 sisters and their uncles and aunts, were buried under the debris. Out of these, the bodies of 3 sisters and 2 women have been recovered, while the couple, uncles and aunts of the 3 sisters are missing. 4 people of Juma village were injured in the accident. Thank you and keep watching the Awaaz for the more latest updates.
आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट